what's been y'all's deal today? I don't know, man. We picky. Yeah. There we go. Look at that crappie right there. What up, fam? You're watching the Juggalo Fishing Posse with your host /Gillz. We're back down here at the creek. I have one rod. I've got the little crick hopper tied on. First, anyway. We're gonna see if we can get some bass, or honestly, whatever will bite. Join me down at the water. Peace. All right, new spot. Let's get it and not get hung up. Here's to not getting hung up. There we go. That was that looked like a warmouth. That wasn't a bass. It was a bigger size panfish. That thing works better with a swivel clamp on it. There's something. Really? Really, bro? Thank you, something, for biting. Appreciate it. big freaking red sunfish. Dadgum. Big boy. That's a pretty red breast though. Okay, alright. Get all dirty if you want. Stupid. Well. Like I said, at least something is biting. Can't argue with that too much. Well, I'm gonna throw this a little bit and some on the way back. This is my last ditch effort to catch anything. Back really kills. Oh, we got something. Finally, first freaking bass of the day. Bro, really? He found a mud puddle to bounce around in. Did you? Little bass. Huh. Finally, one of them took it. Finally. What's been y'all's deal today? I don't know, man. We picky. Yeah. Appreciate it, you little. Alright guys, well, not a whole lot out here today. A couple of red breast, one that looked like it may have been a warmouth, and one bass. I hooked up with a bass earlier, but I was playing around with him. Wasn't focused on reeling him in. I was watching him swim around on the line, and he come off. Wasn't a big deal though. I wasn't expecting a whole lot this morning. We've got a bunch of weather about to push through. I wasn't expecting them to be very active, and they definitely were not. Whoa. Anyway, we'll get back to the car, guys, and I'll see y'all there. Peace. All right, fam. Forgive my workstation. Forgive the way I look. Just got done working a little while ago. Anyway, this is the part that I'm sure you're all waiting for. The giveaway time. That's right, guys. We're going to go ahead and do a giveaway. I apologize I didn't do this sooner, but when we hit 200 subscribers, I didn't want to immediately do a giveaway and then by some chance, by the time it got posted, to lose a couple of people or to have Facebook purge a couple of people. You never know. So I didn't want to look stupid by doing a 200 subscriber giveaway and not have 200 subscribers, you know what I mean? Anyway, we're going to try and get this taken care of. Really simple stuff, guys. This particular giveaway, we're going to be giving away this thing right here. I'm not 100% sure what who it's by, what company makes it, but it is, as you can see, it is a very large top water plug of a sort. It could be a saltwater, like a surf fishing lure. I'm not 100% sure. It could be a striper swiper. I really don't know 100% what it is, but honestly, guys, I don't have much use for it, and it definitely will not fit in my bag without messing stuff up or going through the backpack or maybe even through my back. Don't want that. Anyway, if any of you are interested in this massive lure here, all you got to do, really simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel, of course, first and foremost. You have to hit that like button, and third, leave a comment below. It could be anything. You can tell me a fishing story, say something about this particular video. You can tell me about, you know, your worries and your hopes and your dreams and your fears. It doesn't really matter to me. Anyway, guys, yeah, just be subscribed, hit the like, and leave a comment below. And here in I'm not exactly sure how, when, like a week or two, but I will keep you guys posted. We will be picking a winner, one of the random comment generators or something of the sort. We will pick one of you lucky guys who did those 3 awesome things, and I'll be sending that to you. Like I said, guys, I hope that you can get a little bit more use out of it than I will, because honestly, guys, I don't throw big lures like this, and I'm not really equipped to throw stuff like this. Whatever this thing is going to pull in, I don't really have a heavy action rod sturdy enough to handle whatever this thing might hook up. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you want this thing, you guys know what to do. I will catch you homies later. Peace out. Whoop whoop. Tight lines, sharp hatchets. Love you guys. Peace.